Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we will learn that how to use rib in SOLIDWORKS. Okay, so let's get started. For the rib feature, we should have a solid geometry that I have already created, as you can see. Okay, so we'll click on rib, then select the front plane, draw a line for the rib. Okay, then click on finish. For the rib, this arrow should be inside. We'll flip this from here. Okay, and you can change the thickness of a rib from here. Okay, and now you can see our sketch line in center. Okay, if you want to change, you can change from here. Okay, so I will keep it in middle. Okay, then click on OK. Now your rib is done. Now we'll circular pattern of this rib, select this sketch for the axis and select this rib, click OK. Now your rib is done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative this type of video. Thank you.